Hi guys, working today on another XC90, early 2000s, 2005 this one. And the problem it's got, and the eagle-eyed amongst you will probably see it already, is that the cabin temperature sensor is providing screwy readings and the aircon's not working properly. It's not engaging at the right point. And if you look carefully in this slot here, you can see what the problem is. It is this simple. There is fluff on the temperature sensor. I'm just using a super fine pair of tweezers here. I'm just going to lift that fluff out. Really important not to damage the temperature sensor. You can do this with a vacuum cleaner. You can blow it through with some compressed air if you've got it, or you can just carefully pull out the fluff. And what this is doing is insulating the thermistor. So the cabin sensor is unable to determine how cool or how warm it actually is. And as a result of that, it's unable to determine how much it needs to blow. Look at all this. It's a bit of a weird design this. There's a little fan built into this that kind of sucks fluff and dust in. And this is a very typical problem with this particular design. That, you know, if you see those three little slots on your dashboard and your temperature sensor is not functioning correctly, this is almost certainly your issue. Certainly it's a next to free place to start with the investigation. I'm just going to finish pulling this out of here, give it a quick blast through with a little compressed air tin, and I am absolutely confident that that will fix the problem. So there you go, just a quickie today. Hope that's been useful. If it has, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.